Today we will talk about full stack developer. What is full stack developer? What does a full stack developer do? Full stack developer skills? Why pursue a career in full stack development? Average salary and job outlooks? How to become a full stack developer? What is full stack developer? A full stack developer helps build and maintain both the front end and the back end of a website. Learn about full stack developer skills, salary, and how you can become one. A full stack developer is a developer or engineer who can build both the front end and the back end of a website. The front end, the parts of a website a user sees and interacts with, and the back end, the behind-the-scenes data storage and processing, require different skill sets. Since full-stack developers are involved with all aspects of the development process, they must have expertise in both. A full-stack developer can work in-house or at a computer development company that engineers websites, software, and other components for other businesses. If you not subscribe our channel, please take a while and subscribe our channel for more updates. What does a full stack developer do? Full stack developers design and create websites and applications for various platforms. A full-stack developer's job description might include the following. Develop and maintain web services and interfaces. Contribute to front-end and back-end development processes. Build new product features or APIs. Perform tests, troubleshoot software, and fix bugs. Collaborate with other departments on projects and sprints. The world of full-stack development is large, and many new and evolving technologies continually push the limits of what a full-stack developer can create. Staying on top of cutting-edge technology and techniques in the full-stack development field is one of the many exciting aspects of working in this role. Full-stack developer skills? Full-stack developers may be creative, graphically inclined, internet and tech-savvy, and have excellent attention to detail. You'll want to learn the following skills to have a career in full-stack development. Front-end development. Back-end development. Web design. Database management. As a full-stack developer, you may need to know your way around some of the following programming languages and tools. AngularJS. Apache HTTP server. Oz. CSS. Ember.js. JavaScript. jQuery. Laravel. Microsoft SQL Server. MySQL. Nginx. Node.js. PHP. Polymer. React. Ruby on Rails. Vue.js. Why pursue a career in full-stack development? A career in full-stack development combines creativity with analysis. As a full-stack developer, you'll have plenty of opportunities to learn and implement innovative principles in your work. Average salary and job outlooks? As of October 2022, the average annual salary of a full-stack developer is $81,188, according to Glassdoor. This figure does not include bonuses, commissions, or other additional payments that may be offered to a full-stack developer on a yearly basis. The estimated additional pay for this role is $5,915 per year. How to become a full-stack developer? Consider earning a degree. Research entry-level roles consider earning a degree. Develop your coding skills. Build a portfolio. Practice technical interview questions.